Hi guys, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the pages from your MS Word, how to delete a multiple pages and how we delete this. Simply we need to go to the Word file and here you can see there are a lot of pages like approximate 4 pages in my this Word file. So I want to delete this page at the end. This is the fourth page. So simply I need to click anywhere in my page and then I need to click on the delete button from my tab. So simply click on the delete and press until the page is deleted. Here you can see our fourth page is deleted. Now we have only 3 pages. So I want to delete this as well. Simply click on this third page and then press the delete button from your keyboard. Press until the page is deleted. So here you can see this page is deleted as well. Here you can see the complete content is also deleted. So this is the way to delete the complete page. So this is a very simple and easy way. You can easily delete any page from your MS Word document. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye.